Today in this auditorium, in these hallways, we are among adults and children who were told and continue to be told they were too short, too tall, that they talked funny or smelled weird, that they weren't smart enough or too smart, that their skin wasn't clear enough or the right color. You have quickly seen that at West Warwick High School, it's different, right? We are a community. We will not stand for people using their words to tear one of us down, because an attack on one of us is an attack on each one of us sitting here today. You never know the moment that you can make or break someone, and today we are challenging you to give the gift of words to inspire others, to stick up for one another, to rise up, stand up, and be the person that makes somebody every day, doesn't break somebody.
Some ways that we want our school to feel is included, accepted, loved, equal, safe, comfortable, and like they belong.
The Choose Love formula is courage, gratitude, forgiveness, and compassion. Courage creates the opening, gratitude shifts our lens, forgiveness frees us, and compassionate action changes our world.
The paper we crumbled today was an exercise to show that once you hurt somebody, you can't really erase it. It's kind of permanent, and it's something that's hard to change.
It's like you could like tell someone like, "Ew, you look ugly today," and then like they're gonna like still like feel that way even if you say like sorry or like I'm kidding.
You never know what someone's going through, so like someone could be hurting inside and it could be just adding on to their pain.
And your mistakes don't define you. We've all made them. Tomorrow's a new day. Thank you.
It's time to stop just standing up to bullies. It's time to start asking the bullies if everything is okay.
Because at the end of the day, it takes courage to stand up to a bully. But being upstanding, okay, means finding compassion and the purpose behind the bullying, and it takes choosing love to do those things. Thank you.